What if you woke up tomorrow morning, turned on the tap, and nothing came out? No water, not for a day, not for a week, for a whole month. Could you survive? Most people in cities and suburbs would panic within 24 hours. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to store a full 30-day water supply right inside your apartment or home. No land required. No expensive equipment, just simple proven steps anyone can do. The average city water system has only 2 to 3 days of reserve capacity. A single pipe failure, a natural disaster, contamination event, or even a power grid failure can cut your water supply completely. Governments recommend citizens have at least 72 hours of water stored. That's only 3 days. We're going for 30. Because 3 days isn't enough for anyone with a family. How much water does one person actually need per day? The minimum survival amount is 1 liter. But to properly cook, clean, and stay hygienic, you need at least 3 to 4 liters per day. For a family of 4, that's roughly 360 to 480 liters for 1 month. Now let's talk containers, because not all containers are safe for storing water. Rule number 1. Only use food-grade containers, marked with recycling symbol number 1, 2, or 7. Never use old milk jugs. They're almost impossible to fully clean and can harbor bacteria. Your best options are 5-liter BPA-free bottles, perfect for apartments. 20-liter jerry cans, great for balconies or under-bed storage. And 100-liter water barrels for homes with a storage room or terrace. For a family of 4 targeting 30 days, I recommend 8 20-liter cans and 8 5-liter bottles as backup. Storing water isn't just about filling bottles and leaving them. Water can grow bacteria over time, especially in warm environments. Step 1. Start with tap water. It already contains chlorine, which helps preservation. Step 2. Add water preserver drops, available for less than 200 rupees online. These extend water shelf life up to 5 years. Step 3. Store in a cool, dark place, away from sunlight and heat. Step 4. Label every container with the fill date and rotate your stock every 6 months. And if you ever need to drink water you're unsure about, boiling for 1 full minute kills 99.9% of harmful organisms. Now I know what you're thinking. I live in an apartment. Where am I supposed to put 400 liters? Here are 5 clever storage spots most people never think of. 1. Under the bed. Most beds have 6 to 8 inches of clearance, enough for flat 5-liter bottles. 2. Inside wardrobe bottoms. Dark, cool, and out of sight. 3. Balcony or terrace. Use dark colored jerry cans to avoid sunlight. 4. Under kitchen sink cabinets. Already a dead space most people waste. 5. Bathroom storage shelves. Small bottles rotate easily here. Spreading storage across your home actually makes it more accessible in an emergency. Here's a bonus tip for those of you with a balcony. You can supplement your water storage with simple rainwater harvesting. All you need is a clean barrel placed at the corner of your balcony with a basic mesh filter on top. In most Indian cities, a single good rain shower can fill a 100-liter barrel within 20 minutes. Purify before drinking, but it's perfect for flushing, cleaning, and washing. So let's recap. Number 1. A family of 4 needs 360 to 480 liters for 30 days. Number 2. Use only food-grade containers. Number 3. Treat your water, label everything, store in the dark. Number 4. Use hidden spaces. You have more storage than you think. Number 5. Set up a rainwater barrel if you have a balcony. If you start this week, your 30-day supply can be ready in under 7 days. You now know more about water survival than 90% of people in your city. Subscribe Zero Depend, because next week we're covering how to survive without electricity for 30 days. See you then.